Hello everybody, let's start today's class. It is part 4, exercise 15.1, probability of class 10. In this video, I will explain you from question number 19 to 22. Question number 19, a child has a die whose 6 faces shown the letters as given below. So, okay, in 6 faces, 6 letters are there: A, B, C, D, E and A. The die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting A and D? So, okay. Now, how many A's are there? There are 2 A's out of 6. So, probability of A is 2 upon 6. It is 1 upon 3. But you have to write the formula. So, okay. Next, probability of D. Only one D is there. So, probability of D is 1 upon 6. Got it? Next question, question number 20. Suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region shown in figure 15.6. This is the figure. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle with diameter 1 meter? This is the geometric probability where we have to, the probability we have to find out by not by number, by area we have to find out. Okay, area of circle to area of rectangle we have to take. So area of rectangle is length into breadth, it is 2 into 3, 6 meter square, and area of even means area of circle, that is the pi r square. It is radius is half meter. Okay, 1 upon 2 meter. So that is 11 upon 14 meter square. Now probability of die will land inside the circle is area of circle upon area of rectangle. That is 11 upon 14 upon 6. That is 11 upon 84. Okay. Next question is question number 22. A lot consists of 144 ball pens, of which 20 are defective and other are good. Nuri will buy a pen if it is good, but will not buy it if it is defective. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives it to her. What is the probability that she will buy it and she will not buy? If it is good one, then she will buy, and if it is not good one, defective one, she will not buy it. Okay. Now the total pen is 144. Number of defective pen has given 20. So number of not defective pen is 144 minus 20 is 124. Okay. This is, now she will buy, that means the good one. Good pens is 124. The probability is 124 upon 144, that is 31 upon 36. And she will not buy it, that means the defective one. So number of defective pen is 20. 20 upon 144, that is 5 upon 36. Next question is question number 22. 2 dice, one blue and one grey, are drawn at the same time. Write down all the possible outcomes and complete the following table. Complete the following table means this is the table event sum of the 2 dice. Suppose these are the 2 dice. It is 3 plus 1, 4. Again if I throw it, 5 plus 2, 7, in this way. Sum of the 2 dice on the front page. So okay, top face, that we have to add it. Now we have to sum is 2, 1 upon 36. Now we have to do this. This is the grey, is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and it is the blue one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in this way. Now the total possible outcomes is, it is 1 to 6 and it is 1 to 6. Now 1, 1, this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, this one, 1, 4, this one. Okay, in this way we have to fill this box. By 2, it is 1, 2, 1, this one, 2, 2, this one, 2, 3, this one. So in this way you have to fill all these in numbers. So okay, now from this box we have to fill this chart, that is probability of sum is 3. Sum is 3 you take when sum is 2, that is this one box only, 1 plus 1 2. So okay, so it is only one box, so 1 upon 36. Now sum is 3. So okay, sum is 2 plus 1 and 1 plus 2, so it is 2 upon 36, 2 out of 36. Sum 3, it is 3, so this row, okay, in this way I have drawn the colored line, 1 2 3 options. So okay, sum of 4 is 3 options. So okay, sum of 4, 1 2 3 options. So okay, so that is 3 upon 36. Sum is 5, 4 upon 36. In this way you can check it. Okay, all these numbers. When sum is 4 plus 6 10, so these 3 numbers will be. So okay, in diagonal way you have to select the number and you have to do that. I have written here, when calculation I have done, then I have filled this box. Okay, so event of getting total sum of 2, these the events are 1 1. So okay, and number of event is only 1, this pair, so it is 1 upon 36. When event is sum is 2, sum is 3, it is sum is 2 and it is sum 3. When it is 3, 2 1 1 2, so okay, only 2 options, so that is 2 upon 36, it is 1 upon 18. Event E3 for getting the sum of 4, so it is 3 1 2 2 1 3. So okay, 3 options, well the event is 3, so it is number of event 3 and total 36, so 3 upon 36 1 upon 12. Next event is 4, it is 4 upon 36 1 upon 9. In this way I have done this, all the numbers calculation I have shown here. Event 5, so event sum is 6, 5 1 4 2 3 3 3 2 4 1 5. So okay, that is 5 upon 36. Sum is 7, these are the options, and it is 6 upon 36 1 upon 6. Event E7 for getting the sum of 8, 6 2 5 3 4 4 5 3 5 2 6, and total is 5 numbers. So okay, so 5 upon 36. Total sum is 9, these are the options. So okay, the number of event is 4, so 4 upon 36 1 upon 9. E9 is sum of 10, sum of 10 is 5 5 and 6 4 5 5 4 6, that is 3, 3 upon 36 1 upon 12. Event E10, that is getting of sum of 11, sum of 11 is 6 5 and 5 6, only 2, so it is 2 upon 36 1 upon 18, and sum is 11, that is sum is 12. So okay, 12 to 6 6 only, last option, so that is 1 upon 36. Okay, second part of this question is, a student agreed that there are 11 possible outcomes, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 till, so okay, 12. So therefore each of them has a probability 1 upon 11. So okay, do you agree with this arrangement? Justify your answer has given. No, it is not possible. For every answer it is not 1 upon 11. Okay, so no, the 11 sums are not equally likely. These are not equally likely. Number of events are not the same. Okay, thank you very much.